Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are diving into another amazing chapter of our channel, a beginner-friendly gypsum art project. I'll be showing you every single step nice and easy, and you also find the full list of items used in the description below so you can follow along at your own pace. Let's get started. Here I'm placing my silicone measuring bowl on the scale and pressing the tear button to reset it to 0. For today's project, we'll be using the O-Celle's Crafts Magic Casting Powder. This is a 3 to 1 mix ratio, perfect for beginners. It even comes with a free scoop, making it super easy to collect the powder and measure it out for your project. Now that our scale is reset to 0, let's measure out our powder. Using the free scoop that comes with the magic casting powder, I'm adding 208 grams of gypsum into the silicone measuring bowl. This is the perfect amount of powder we need for today's project. I'm resetting the scale to 0 again so we don't mix up our measurements. Since we are working with a 3 to 1 mix ratio, we can just divide the powder amount by 3. So for 208 grams of powder, we'll get about 69.5 grams of water, which we can easily round up to 70 grams. One thing to know about gypsum is that it sets very quickly, so you always have to have everything you need around you so that you don't waste any of your working time. Gypsum usually takes about 30 minutes to cure into a solid piece, so the mixing stage is where the speed matters the most. Gently mix everything thoroughly until you have a smooth lump-free batter just like you see here. Keep your eye on your timing since gypsum sets very fast and you don't want to end up wasting your powder. So you have to work quickly but mix well for the best results. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to pour it into the mold while it's still fresh and fluid. Start by pouring in about half of the batter, then gently tap or shake the mold to bring any air bubbles to the surface. Once you're happy with that, you can pour in the rest of the batter and give it another gentle shake to release any remaining bubbles in the mold. Hey, if you've made it this far, I want to say a big thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a tutorial like this. Let's get back to it. Once the batter has been poured into the mold, give it a gentle shake or tap to help any trapped bubbles rise to the surface. Take your time with this. A few extra seconds here can make a big difference in the smoothness of your final piece. When you're happy with it, lightly spray the surface with isopropyl alcohol or bubble spray to pop the bubbles completely and leave a clean, even finish. Now, take note of the time and let your project sit completely stiff for about 30 minutes so it can cure fully. After 30 minutes, the piece will be solid enough to remove from the mold. However, this isn't a fully cured piece yet. Gypsum takes a full 24 hours to reach its maximum strength. It's safe to unmold after the first 30 minutes hardening stage, but for the best results, place your piece in a well-ventilated room and let it continue drying for the next 24 hours. This extra time ensures it cures completely and it's ready for finishing or display. Remember not to throw away the leftover pieces in your mixing cup. Once they are dry, you can break them up and save them to use as terrazzo chips in future projects. Once your piece has hardened enough, gently peel the mold away from the edges, working slowly to avoid cracking or chipping. It's still fragile and hasn't reached its full strength yet, so handle it with care until it fully cures. This is what we have after demolding the project after the first 30 minutes of curing. You can clearly see how pretty and detailed the piece is. Always keep in mind that any particles or dirt in the mold will show up clearly on the project. So always make sure your mold is clean and well prepped before starting. Now let's take a moment to admire the beautiful piece we have just made. Also, to our amazing subscribers, I would like to say a very big thank you. The family is growing, and we are so happy to have every single one of you with us. If you'd like to join our big craftsman family, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, tap on the bell icon so you would always be notified anytime we make a beautiful tutorial like this one. Leave a comment if you have any questions pertaining to this particular project or any project at all. And also give this video a like. We so much appreciate you. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye bye.